Two travelers from Mexico. I hope you're in it. Mark's trying out a new, what is this, a GoPro?
GoPro 10 that was
Given to you?
lent or given to me by my friend Jeff from Papa Got a GoPro. So check out his YouTube channel.
So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm all bundled up because it's pretty cold today. It's been raining off and on. So I got like a shirt on underneath here and this and sweatpants and slippers, and
yeah,
Mark's just fine.
She's pretty well bundled up. I'm just in my normal t-shirt and jeans.
So we're going to try some different fruit today, and we're going to do it on video. One is called Mame Sapote, and it is native to Mexico, Central America, cultivated in Florida, Australia, California. Lots of vitamins and minerals, high in fiber, carotenoids, vitamin A, C, magnesium, and you're supposed to let it soften up kind of like an avocado. And you can grow them in a tree, and it takes about 5 to 7 years.
And this is the Mame. It's pretty big. I have big hands, so you can tell about how big the fruit is.
You could probably even get them bigger than this.
Yeah.
But it's kind of, looks like a coconut on the outside, kind of.
Yeah.
And it's a little soft, and I think that's exactly how you want it. So we're going to try this out.
Let's cut it open, see what's inside.
That's what it looks like.
And that is a huge seed in there.
Yeah, that's a big seed.
That one might be a little beyond ripe, not really sure.
Yeah, might be a little, well, it kind of looks like it's got like a mold in it. That might not be so good, I don't know.
Yeah,
That's the seed. It's huge. Should we pass on this then? Since it looks like it's kind of got some mold in it.
Yeah, that.
Okay, we're going to pass on this one. We'll try another one in the next video.
Yeah. All right.
That's a pass for now. All right, second, we are going to do a star fruit, and it's grown on a tree native to tropical Southeast Asia. Trees are cultivated in the tropic, semi-tropic regions. Fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B, calcium, potassium, folate, and copper. It's supposed to be green, and when it ripens, it gets more of a yellow. So we've had this one for a little bit. It's kind of so-so. So we're going to cut it and see what it tastes like. This is what it looks like. And we'll tell you what it tastes like. I don't think this one's quite ripe yet. This is a little sour. I think it's supposed to be more yellow than what it is. There's no seeds. I'm going to try another one. Actually, there is one seed here. I don't know. I like it. It's crunchy, very watery.
It's not quite, say, the consistency of an apple, but it is crunchy.
I know it's like how you would munch on a cucumber or something, that kind of a consistency. I did find one little seed, maybe two. It's interesting. I would eat it again. Lastly, dragon fruit.
Now, this can be either red or white on the inside. And this one is a blood red, or pink, really.
The seeds are edible. You want it to be a little soft. So we're going to try this one out.
Yep.
So you could peel it right out like this.
Yep. Just like so, and hopefully
This
I
might be
don't
messy.
drop mine.
Ooh, look at how messy that is.
Not much flavor, I don't think.
I think it's got a little sweet taste to it for sure. Kind of reminds me like of a kiwi.
Yeah. It's not overpowering by any means.
I need a paper towel. Excuse me. Boy, you can see how messy they are. I think that these probably stain too, I would imagine. I know my beet juice stains. I would imagine that this does too. It's almost like the seeds, to me, have a sweeter taste.
Yeah, the skin is actually kind of leathery.
Mm-hmm. And you can get these, they come in like a white with black seeds, or this color, black seeds with, oh, here's a wine color. I think they're pretty good. Mm-hmm. I don't know what we paid for it. I don't remember looking at the receipt specifically, but I hear that they're pretty pricey. Like, I don't know, $5 or something like that. I don't know though.
Yeah, something
I didn't
like
look.
that.
But you don't get a whole lot for $5, do you?
No.
Look at that.
But you read somewhere that this also has a lot of different vitamins in it.
Oh my gosh, look at, that's just what the beet juice does to my fingers. Okay, so it comes from a cactus. Seeds are edible. As you can see, we ate the whole thing. It's high in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, from Asia, Mexico, Central America, South America, and Israel. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know, what'd you think of all that?
I like the star fruit a little bit better myself.
Did you? The star fruit was more crunchier.
Yeah.
This wasn't crunchy. This was more, look at that. That stuff really stains. My fingers are all stained. The star fruit I thought was pretty good too. It was a crunchy taste where this wasn't. This was just more.
Well, it would be a crunchy texture.
This was more like eating an avocado in a way, you know, like soft.
Yeah.
Soft like that.
Yeah.
So, sorry on this guy, but man, what a bummer. And I don't want to try it because there's like, it looks like mold, like it's overripe. But it wasn't like it was over soft or anything.
No.
Yeah. So we'll try this one again. And
along with, we got some other fruit that's not quite ripe yet.
I'll get it. This is it right here.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Guanabana?
Yeah.
I think is how you say it.
Pretty interesting looking.
Yeah.
Not quite ripe, so we'll do another video when we eat one of those.
Yeah.
And,
they told us to wait a couple of days.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. Then we'll do a video on this, and then we'll go back and do another one on this too.
So we can give you the taste test on that.
Maybe we'll even throw in another fruit to try out. Mm-hmm. So anyhow, interesting texture though, isn't it? Interesting design. Mm-hmm. All right, well that's it from the Two Travelers in Mexico, bringing you something different. If you guys like what we're doing, think about subscribing to our YouTube channel. And also we do have a Facebook page called the Two Travelers in Mexico. Mm-hmm. And as always from the Two Travelers in Mexico.
What she did.
Bye guys.
Bye.